Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the Google Assistant isn't available for this account during the setup on your ZTE Blade V70 Vita. So sorry for the dark background, but this is just because of the brightness level on my device and I can't change the brightness level on here, but let's focus on the topic. So as you can see here, we have signed in. Once you're signed in, you can go back, and if you go back to the Wi-Fi, you will see that you're connected. But even though you're connected, you can tap setup offline and here tap continue setup offline. Now you'll just have this Google services something. You can just skip all that, accept everything. Here, next, more, agree, something. Like, you just have to skip all these processes, or just configure it using your using just what you want and your preferences. And now we are we have set up our device without internet and without a Google account. And what it made possible for us is to use our device without this Google account. Now if you enter these settings, you can log into your here account. You can add your account to this device, and you can either do this from here and accounts, passwords and accounts, Google, or just go to the Gmail or any Play Store application and add it straight from here. And all should be done now. If you have this error, even though after you set up and log in, you need to just do a factory reset again and set up your device again using the same method, and just add another Google account that is the equivalent. Just create a new account, or just change the region of your Google account. For example, if you are in China mainland, for example, change your region to US. Maybe maybe you're not US, but to Europe, to every other region that it may be available for you. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.